Okay, just show the fittings that I cut yesterday. I just fitted the cabinet, which taps into that hole. If I'd used a down cutter, I wouldn't have got. I've got a very slight chipping on the edges here. It's because I was using an upcut. I should have used a down cut. That's okay. We've got Divario, which would be normally for sliding shelves onto. It wouldn't be used in this position. It would be used in the center of the board, going across to slide shelves on, or you could use the shelf pins. So this just goes into the slot, shows how it fits now. You can see it's got ridges on the edge. Let's put it on a screenshot. So that fitting slides in, and stays very slightly parallel to the surface, ready for the mating piece to slide into. Then you've got the Clamex, which is a two-part fitting. This goes into the one side of the board, this goes into the mating piece, which will be done up with an Allen key, which locks them together. This piece, the same sort of thing as the Divario fitting. It slides in, but it goes under the surface, just under, about 1/4 mil. So that sits in there. And this one will go in on the mating piece, will come in and then lock down with the, going the other way, but it'll lock down with the Allen key and lock the two together. We've got shelf pins at 32 centers. So you can adjust those. 32 centers are standard for any cabinet work. That's used on all commercial machines. And then you've got the 5mm domino. You can see it's going to go into a domino slot, which gives you the loads and loads of strength. That's the cheapest type of the fittings, but they always work really well. Annoyingly, I brought the wrong sample with me. I've got a 6mm instead of an 8mm. But you can see there she goes in, albeit with a slight gap because it's 6 instead of 8. There we go. That's the whole thing. Then on the new Does It CNC.